How's it going, guys? Mcfgotmillk here. Welcome back to another type of video. In this video we've been going over, is it better to buy a new car or a used car? The reason why I'm doing this type of video is because there's a YouTuber I'm going to shout out, Scotty Cromer, who actually went over this, and I've been telling people this over and over again because I just can't get it out enough. Like, what he said in his video is like 100% facts, and like a lot of people need to know about it. So without further ado, I just want to let you guys know you guys can subscribe and like the video for free. So if you guys can do that for me right now, much appreciated. Alright, so pretty much what he said, which anybody can say, is he read a thing saying, oh, Scotty, this is that, I want to buy this car, but I don't want to buy it used because I don't want it to poop out on me, so I'm just going to buy a new car. Well, what he said also was just, if you know a mechanic, or ask a mechanic to go with you and look over the cars, they're going to look over exactly everything and be like, oh, this car's worth something, oh, this car's not worth something. Like, I know he pretty much said that in his exact video, but again, like, I can't change the words because he's 100% right. And the one thing that he absolutely said that was true was, a lot of cars that are used, hell, have 70% of their life left. Probably even more, honestly. And they're going for like $1,000 to $5,000 ranges, and usually they're like $30,000 right off the start, and it's crazy. But again, I'm not saying only go for used cars. If you have the money and you just want to say, hey, look at my shiny new car, buy a new car, because again, maybe you're going to keep that for a few years, maybe you're just going to get rid of it. That's what I'm saying. Just, it's easier, probably better, because as soon as you get it off the lot as is, the value's going to drop like a few thousand just instantly, since new car went to used car. So it's up to you if you want to buy a used car, and then next thing you know it, drive it for like 2,000 miles. I don't like it, trade it in. You're not going to get as much money as for it back. Alright guys, that's the video. I'm going to leave a card to his video of what I'm talking about, because it makes absolutely sense, and I'd rather you guys go watch him than me, because it is his video. Alright guys, I hope you guys like these type of videos. If you do, leave a like, and make sure you subscribe for more, and make sure you turn on that bell for notifications, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.